Hi, everyone. This is Alfred Basic Piano Library 1A, and we are on page 41 here. This song is a rock song. But before we play the rock song, what is important for us to know is the quarter rest. Quarter rest. Quarter rest is a rest for one beat, which is the rest for the value of a quarter note. Okay? And then here we have a rhythm exercise here. We need to clap this one and hear what it sounds like. So I'm going to clap it. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, rest, 1, rest. Then I repeat it again. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, rest, 1, rest. Okay? So let's hear what the song sounds like. All right? So I'm going to arrange my finger in the C position steadily, and then I'm going to play like this: F, E, E, D, rest, D, rest, 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 rest. Then we'll play it one more time, this time around slowly. Slower. Rest. 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 So that's it. So go and practice rock song.